Caitlin, so does President Trump now possess this Peace Prize? What else do we know about this meeting?
You know, Jake, it's interesting that we actually have not heard that much from the White House on this meeting, or, that was news to us when Machado came out and said that she had presented her prize to the president. It wasn't shocking. It was something we had expected because she had been talking about it. And obviously, the president has made his desire to win the Nobel Peace Prize quite clear time and time again, and has repeatedly said that he believes he should have won it in place of Machado, who called him right after she won it. And so, Jake, we did see her arriving here at the White House today, and we were looking at pictures because obviously she is carrying a bag. We've not heard yet confirmation from the White House that the president did indeed receive this. But when she was leaving, she was also carrying this bag. And if you notice, Jake, it's a bag that has the president's signature on it. He often takes his guest on a tour of the White House gift shop that he has installed right outside the Oval Office whenever they visit. So it's not clear what she got in exchange as she was here at the White House today. But even if she did give the president the physical Nobel Peace Prize that she won, Jake, I should note the committee did put out a statement today weighing in on this matter, essentially saying that it is not transferable and that there's one truth remain, that once it's announced, it cannot be revoked, shared, or transferred to others, that the decision is final, and that it stands for all time. So obviously this is largely symbolic here, Jake, but really what it comes down to is why she would do this. And that is because she wants to run Venezuela. She obviously was the most popular opposition figure in the last elections that they had when Maduro was still there and was rigging the elections.